Family Una, good morning and welcome to another beautiful Tuesday. Happy Valentine's Day from Elephant Bet to Una all. Well, this now the first draw of the day, Una the Elephant Bet special with me, Mariatu Dukuri. Now, as usual, we get balls from number 1 to 90 and we can start the mixing process for the first 5. Ball 7171, second ball 8585, third ball 6060, fourth ball 6565, and the fifth ball inside the first 5 are 5252. Now extra 6 66, extra 7 8 787, extra 8 2 0 20, extra 9 2 8 28, and extra 10 3 37. From the extras we go for the 75 ball formation. We start with 4 5 45, 6 2 62, 4 4 44, 1 0 10, 4 3 43, 7 6 76, 6 3 63, 5 7 57, 1 6 16, single number 5, 2 1 21, 8 6 86, 7 3 73, 3 4 34, 8 2 82, single number 2, 5 1 51, 8 4 84, 4 8 48, single number 8, 5 9 59, 3 2 32, 1 8 18, 2 5 25, single number 9, 5 0 50, single number 7, 1 4 14, 4 0 40, 5 8 58, 2 4 24, single number 1, 5 4 54, single number 3, 4 7 47, 3 9 39, 7 9 79, 3 3 33, 7 5 75, 9 0 90, 4 1 41, 1 5 15, 1 3 13, 6 1 61, single number 6, 2 2 22, 6 7 67, 8 9 89, 3 1 31, 3 8 38, 7 4 74, single number 4, 6 4 64, 1 2 12, 4 6 46, 5 3 53, 1 9 19, 2 3 23, 8 3 83, 2 9 29, 7 2 72, 5 5 55, 1 1 11, 6 8 68, 4 2 42, 7 7 77, 7 8 78, 3 0 30, 8 1 81, 2 6 26, 1 7 17, 8 0 80, 2 7 27, 4 9 49, and 5 6 56. That's 75 information. Now for the last 5. five machine winning numbers. First ball 35 35, second ball 6 9 69, third ball 3 6 36, fourth ball 7 0 70, and the fifth and final ball now 8 8 88. Now go over again the first five and the last. First five, first ball 7 1 71, second ball 8 5 85, third ball 6 0 60, fourth ball 6 5 65, and the fifth ball 5 2 52. Extra 5, extra 6, we get 6 6 66, extra 7 8 7 87, extra 8 0 20, extra 9 2 8 28, and extra 10 3 7 37. And the last five machine winning numbers. First ball 3 5 35, second ball 6 9 69, third ball 3 6 36, fourth ball 7 0 70, and the fifth ball now 8 8 88. Congratulations to all the one. We get the winning ticket for this morning draw. Make sure you go buy a beautiful loved one as today na Valentine's Day. And Mina Maria Tuduku say tata for now, and please join me back for the 12 p.m. draw winner, the diamond draw.